It looks like Samsung is once again ready to rewrite the rulebook for smartphones with the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra, and the leaks, rumors, and insider reports coming out right now are absolutely wild. This isn't just another yearly upgrade. It feels like Samsung is aiming for a total evolution, mixing next-gen AI, cutting-edge hardware, and a brand new privacy-focused display that could change how we use our phones forever. Let's dive deep into everything we know so far, because the S26 Ultra might just be the most futuristic Galaxy yet. According to early leaks, Samsung plans to announce the Galaxy S26 lineup around January or February 2026, following its classic early-year launch schedule. It'll likely ship with Android 16 running on top of One UI 8.5, a version reportedly designed to be lighter, faster, and more AI-driven than ever before. But the real star of the show might be the hardware refinements. Leaked renders show a device that looks sleeker, flatter, and more comfortable in the hand than the S25 Ultra. The corners are slightly more rounded, and the bezels are nearly invisible. Samsung's pushing the display-to-body ratio to new extremes. It's expected to maintain a 6.8-inch QHD+ AMOLED panel, but now brighter and sharper, possibly touching the 3000 nit mark. On top of that, there's talk of something revolutionary, a built-in privacy display. This special layer subtly darkens the screen when viewed from side angles, preventing others from reading your messages or emails over your shoulder. A real hardware solution for digital privacy in public. That alone could make the S26 Ultra one of the most unique phones of 2026. And yes, the beloved S Pen slot is here to stay, a relief for Note series loyalists who feared Samsung might phase it out. Under the hood, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to bring serious muscle. Most leaks agree it'll be powered by the next-generation Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset in the US, with Samsung's own Exynos 2600 variant in select markets. This chip duo is rumored to feature massive AI processing upgrades, enabling on-device generative AI tasks like live translation, contextual image editing, and even summarizing your notifications in real time. Samsung has reportedly been testing a feature called AI Summary, which condenses dozens of notifications into a few sentences, helping users stay focused. Another rumored feature, Meeting Assist, will record, transcribe, and summarize meetings or voice calls using Samsung's new hybrid AI model. Paired with 12 or 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5X RAM and up to 1 terabyte of UFS 4.0 storage, this phone isn't just fast, it's designed for the AI future. The cooling system is also rumored to be more advanced, with a vapor chamber nearly twice the size of the S25 Ultras, hinting at better thermal management for gaming and extended camera use. Now, let's talk cameras, because Samsung's Ultra series always shines here. The S26 Ultra will reportedly stick with the 200-megapixel main sensor, but insiders claim Samsung has redesigned the lens with a wider f1.4 aperture to capture more light, drastically improving low-light photos and video clarity. The ultra-wide camera could jump to 50 megapixels, offering better detail for landscapes, while the 3x telephoto might stay at 10 megapixels. The periscope lens, though, could see a big boost, up to 50 megapixels for clearer, more dynamic zoom shots even at long range. A few leakers mention that Samsung is using enhanced image processing powered by AI, allowing for real-time detail restoration and noise reduction, even in dim conditions. And though the front camera might stay at 12 megapixels, it's rumored to bring improved HDR and face tracking for smoother video calls and selfies. Samsung seems to be betting on computational photography rather than hardware overhauls this year, a strategy similar to what Google and Apple are doing. Battery life also seems to be a focus. While the capacity will likely remain at $5,000 May, efficiency improvements from the new chip could mean longer screen-on time. Charging is where things get interesting. Several leaks suggest Samsung is testing 60-watt wired charging for the first time, finally catching up to competitors like OnePlus and Xiaomi. Wireless charging could jump to 25 watts, and it might be the first Galaxy phone to support QI2 magnetic charging, meaning you could snap it onto compatible chargers like Apple's MagSafe. The magnets built into the back are rumored to be strong enough to align accessories perfectly, marking a big step toward cross-platform accessory compatibility. But the real headline grabber might be Samsung's new focus on privacy and AI. Alongside the privacy display, leaks hint at two powerful software-based privacy tools. Private Shield, which automatically blurs sensitive information in screenshots or images before you share them, and Auto Protect, which blocks untrusted apps from accessing your clipboard, mic, or camera in the background. Samsung's also reportedly working on tighter integration between Bixby, Google's Gemini, and other third-party AIs. The company confirmed it's in talks with multiple AI providers, meaning you might soon be able to choose your preferred assistant, whether it's Bixby, Gemini, or even ChatGPT, natively within One UI. In terms of design, the S26 Ultra could sport slightly softer edges for better grip, while still keeping that professional, squared-off look Samsung fans love. The camera bump may become a unified island, housing the 4 main sensors and LED flash in a more cohesive design. Leakers describe it as sleek yet industrial, with premium materials like titanium alloy edges, possibly the same lightweight titanium Samsung used on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The phone's rumored thickness of around 7.9mm makes it one of the slimmest Ultras ever, even with a massive battery inside. And if you thought Samsung couldn't make the display any better, think again. The new panel is expected to use a next-gen OLED material that boosts brightness and longevity while reducing burn-in risk. When it comes to performance, early Geekbench leaks suggest the S26 Ultra could hit nearly 2,400 in single-core and 7,800 in multi-core scores, putting it well ahead of the S25 Ultra and right up there with Apple's A18 Pro. Gaming performance should skyrocket too, thanks to the Adreno 860 GPU, capable of console-level ray tracing and advanced shading techniques. Combine that with faster LPDDR5X memory and UFS 4.0 storage, and you're looking at smoother gameplay, quicker file access, and lightning-fast app switching. This phone isn't just about power, it's about endurance and stability over time, with software optimization designed to keep it fast for years. As for durability, Samsung seems to be sticking with armor aluminum or titanium frame protection, along with Gorilla Glass armor on both sides. The phone will obviously keep its IP68 dust and water resistance rating, but new testing hints it could withstand slightly deeper immersion. Samsung may even introduce new color finishes, with leaks suggesting graphite, titanium, Arctic blue, and a mystic silver option exclusive to the Ultra. There's also speculation about a matte textured back for better grip and fewer fingerprints, something users have been asking for. Price-wise, there's no official word yet, but insiders predict it will start around $1,999 in the US, matching the S25 Ultra's launch price. However, Samsung might sweeten the deal with pre-order bonuses like free Galaxy Buds or increased trade-in values. The company is under pressure from Apple's upcoming iPhone 17 Pro and Google's Pixel 10 Pro, so competitive pricing could be key. Still, given all the rumored advancements, the AI smarts, upgraded display, privacy tools, and faster charging, the S26 Ultra could easily justify its premium tag. So what's the verdict based on everything leaked so far? The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra looks like a refined powerhouse, a phone built not just for raw performance, but for the smarter, more privacy-conscious era of AI-driven devices. From the privacy display and smarter software to the upgraded cameras and Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, it's shaping up to be one of the most feature-rich smartphones Samsung has ever made. If even half of these leaks turn out to be true, the Galaxy S26 Ultra could redefine what users expect from a flagship phone in 2026. Whether you're a power user, a creator, or just someone who wants the very best, Samsung's next Ultra might be the only phone you'll need next year, a perfect blend of power, intelligence, and innovation that pushes the Galaxy legacy